When you look at the delicious cakes, you will feel the meticulousness in every line, every smooth crust, and every shiny grain. The sweet fragrance spreads throughout the space, making the taste buds enchanted and the eyes unable to take their eyes off these wonderful works. Looking at the rows of cookies arranged neatly and regularly on the production line, you will feel the sophistication and professionalism in the production process. Each cookie is not only a product but also a work of art, created with the care and dedication of the workers. When kiwi fruit is cut in half, the gentle, sweet fragrance spreads throughout the space, stimulating all senses. Taking a bite, the cool sour taste blends with the sweet taste, mixed with a bit of squeak on the tip of the tongue. Looking at the juicy red apples, we feel the sweetness and deliciousness. The scent of apples is faint, gentle, stimulating the sense of smell. Holding an apple in hand, we feel its succulence and roundness. Taking a bite, we feel the sweet, slightly sour, crunchy taste. Automatic bread packaging machines are an important part of the industrial bread production process, bringing efficiency and automation to the final product packaging process. From the moment the bread is made, the packaging machine automatically recognizes and arranges them automatically on a line. Then the machine will perform packaging steps such as cutting, wrapping, and sealing accurately and quickly. Automatic packaging machines not only reduce dependence on labor and minimize errors in the packaging process, but also enhance factory productivity and efficiency. At the same time, it also helps ensure product continuity and uniformity, thereby creating trust and reputation with consumers. Crackers are not only a traditional dish, but also a highlight of the tea party and a favorite dessert of many people. With its unique beauty and flavor, crackers are always the top choice to enjoy with family and friends. Not only delicious, crackers also bring a feeling of satisfaction and relaxation every time you enjoy them. This is why crackers are always a favorite choice for family gatherings, anniversaries, or simply to enjoy in moments of relaxation. With great beauty and taste of us, crackers are not just a food, but also a part of memories and special experiences every time we enjoy them. Looking at the smooth white cakes running on the production line, you cannot help but be fascinated by the delicate beauty and perfection of each cake. The shiny, attractive white outer shell is not only an artistic highlight, but also a delicious treasure in every slice of cake. With meticulousness and technique, each cake is created with uniformity and high quality. The production process is adjusted down to every small detail, from the selection of ingredients to the baking process, ensuring that each cake brings the best enjoyment experience to consumers. Mini bell peppers are an amazing creation in the culinary world, bringing a new and unique experience to those who love spices. With its compact size and adorable shape, mini bell peppers not only enhance the aesthetic beauty of dishes, but also make meals more diverse with their unique flavors and bright colors. Strawberry stem extraction machine is an important tool in the strawberry production and processing process. Look at those delicious pieces of meat. It's not just a culinary treat, but also an adventure through delicious tastes and aromas. Let them make your meal even more special. With sweet and fragrant meat, tuna offers a unique culinary experience, making each piece of meat watery and melt in the mouth. The high nutrition and unique flavor of tuna make it a favorite choice for many food lovers. In addition, tuna is also a source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, important for heart and brain health. The variety of tuna processing from sashimi to grilled, raised or cooked in soup all brings richness and appeal to the meal. Automatic saws for cutting frozen and fresh products, with or without bones, RA. Cutting frozen and fresh produce is faster and more efficient than ever, helping to optimize production processes and reduce waste. The versatility of this automatic saw allows it to process both bone-in and boneless products, from poultry and beef to salmon and tuna. This creates a diverse selection for food manufacturers and restaurants, helping them increase production efficiency and respond quickly to market needs. Look at the sharp blade cutting those pork ribs in half. It is a strong and flexible image of professionalism and sophistication in food art. Each cut of the blade is not only an emphasis on the precision and technique of the chef, but also a symbol of strength and sharpness in the cooking process. The tip of the blade moves through each part of the meat with smoothness and delicacy, creating thin, smooth and uniform slices of meat. Each slice of pork ribs is not only a dish, but also a work of art, technique and enthusiasm. The combination of the sophistication of the blade and the freshness of the pork ribs creates an unforgettable culinary experience. Have you enjoyed the taste of salmon? It's a wonderful culinary experience not to be missed. Salmon is not only a